our channel release on Netflix, let's start the video now. If Netflix does determine to move beforehand and make greater episodes of the captivating South Korean crime drama, there is a great threat the discharge date isn't going to be each time soon, and that is going to be the equal location of which Stranger Season 3 will come out. The first season of the display, created via way of means of Studio Dragon, author Lee Soo-hyun, turned into launched on June 20, 2017. The second bankruptcy Netflix collection debuted 3 years later on August 15, 2020. Given that there has been the sort of lengthy time frame among the premiere iterations and the truth that the streaming large generally takes an opening of approximately a year or longer among installments, it does now no longer appear probable that Stranger Season 3 will show up anytime soon. But it's critical to consider that it's all hypothesis, and at this point a renewal word indicating the other should come any day now. There has been no legit statement or information concerning the forged of the Stranger Season 3, which can also additionally nonetheless now stay a thriller for the foreseeable future. But people who love the exciting collections can take a completely knowledgeable bet at who may be returned in motion for rather predicted third time out of the award triumphing affair. Stranger stars Netflix veteran actress Donna Bay, recognized for different thrilling, unique collections which includes the Zombie Duration Motion Display Kingdom and also Wachowski's short-lived Sense8 collection, now no longer to say her flip off their function Film Cloud Atlas. She's surely one of the collection's highlights, and her overall performance as Han Yo-jin is so first-rate that it would now be no longer equal if she weren't put inside the lineup for Stranger Season 3. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Seung-woo Cho does an extraordinary process gambling Hwang Si-mok and might be ignored if he didn't go back for Stranger Season 3. And there are such a lot of different proficient people from the cast that lovers of the collection would love to look to go back. If Stranger Season 3 is ever to show up, it is secure to count out that there must be a masses of latest and acquainted faces to fill out the ranks, including to the numerous motives to test out the following ordeal if and while that must across come down. Netflix has now no longer launched any plot info for Stranger Season 3. It is generally normal to launch the synopsis in a whole lot in a direction of the real launch date, and the streaming provider will also maximum veritably comply with that equal strategy. In the second season's very last episode, their devices are disabled with Yo-jin is then transferred to the National Police Intelligence Division and Shi-mok is dispatched to Wonju Prosecutor's Office. So it will likely be exciting to look at how these elements into what takes vicinity in Stranger Season 3 and what attractive research with two tag crew this time around. Thank you for watching the video till the end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.